Ghana has better security, roads and universities than Nigeria, Rudeboy of P-Square. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Guys, if you are new here, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon for more entertainment news. Alright, let's get to the story. Award-winning Nigerian singer Rudeboy, a member of the group P-Square, has started West African country, Ghana, ahead of his fatherland, Nigeria. According to Paul Okoye, Ghana is way ahead of Nigeria with regards to development. He noted that unlike his country, Nigeria, Ghana can boast of the best infrastructures and also quality education, which has resulted in almost 40% of the population moving to Ghana for their tertiary education. Rudeboy's statement comes after the Ghana national team Black Stars defeated the Super Eagles of Nigeria in the 1-1 away draw to qualify for the 2022 World Cup in Qatar. The defeat witnessed some Nigerian football lovers invading the pitch and destroying properties worth thousands of naira. According to him, several challenges in his country need to be addressed. The reason why he wasn't bothered about them not making it to Qatar for the tournament. In an Instagram post cited by Ghana Web, the popular singer added that Ghana has become a preferred destination choice for his brothers and sisters back home due to the peace they enjoy. He has urged Nigerian leaders to address all the concerns of citizens. Yes, we lost to Ghana yesterday, but I'm proud of Ghana because Nigerians go to Ghana for holidays. They have good power, electricity, good roads, security, good university that 40% of Nigerians occupy. But these ones here are busy inflating pains on their own. Read his post. Also, Nigerian rapper Faz has called out the government for ignoring the plight of citizens. In a tweet dated March 30, he wrote, "No electricity, fuel scarce, no jobs, naira all the way down. Students are not in school, no public health care to treat ordinary man wey dey sick. You can't travel by road because you may be killed or kidnapped. And now rail bombings have been added to the mix." In a separate tweet, he added, "Do you know what these animals are busy doing? Announcing that they want to be president, organizing political rallies, announcing that they want to start collecting toll gate money." Alright guys, this is what we have for now. Stay tuned for more entertainment news. I'm out.